kind of like the sunshine.
Morning, you guys. So, yep, this is me. Yeah, so one of my friends, he lost his Mavic Pro at Sandy's yesterday. So this morning, I'm gonna go dive in the water and see if I can find it. Hopefully we can, and yeah, get it back to him. Shoots. Sandy's pretty soon, and hopefully yeah, we'll get ready and see if we can find my friend's drone. Yep.
Yeah, she the best. That's an operation. She be running through my head, knocking at my door. Should I let her in? I don't know for sure. She be running through my head, knocking at my door. Should I let her in? Yeah. Good girl, good girl. Still my loving, still my loving.
What's up, you guys? So yeah, today we were able to get the drone back. I actually met up with my friend. We got his drone back to him. He gave me a little bit of money, just a little tiny bit, but you know, it's cool. You know, I was glad to help him out. Yeah. So as far as what's going on with that, the follow-up, his drone is basically done. Like, the Mavic Pro is done. There's so many corroded pieces already from just sitting in the water for, you know, about 13 or 14 hours. There's so much corrosion, like on the contact areas for the battery. There's rust in so many places. Like, over such a short period of time, there's so much rust. And so, yeah, the drone's done, and he's submitting it down to DJI for DJI Care Refresh. Yeah, so that was today's adventure, finding my friend's Mavic Pro. I'm glad everything worked out. I was able to find it in a pretty short amount of time. If you guys have any questions about the situation, yeah, leave a comment down below, and I'll try and answer it as soon as possible. Yeah, shoots.
One and more, is she the best?